CBD isn't well regulated, so it's important to carefully inspect CBD oil labels to make sure you're getting a high quality product. Check the label to find out how much CBD is in the product. To figure out how much CBD is in each serving, just divide the total number of milligrams by the number of servings listed on the back of the label. You can also check the label to see how much THC is in the CBD oil. If there's less than 0.3% THC, the CBD oil won't cause a high feeling. If there's over 0.6% THC, the CBD oil may be illegal depending on where you live. CBD oil labeled as full spectrum contains other cannabis compounds in addition to CBD, and it may have THC in it. If an oil is labeled as an isolate, it means it is pure CBD oil without any other compounds. Also, check the label to see how the CBD oil was extracted. CBD oil extracted with CO2 or ethanol is generally safe to use, but you should avoid CBD oils that use other extraction methods or that don't list an extraction method, since they may contain harmful contaminants. Use the batch number or QR code printed on the label to look up the lab reports for the CBD oil to verify that it's been tested by a third party. If it hasn't been tested, or if there's no batch number or QR code, the CBD oil is probably low quality.
One great resource to look at is the U.S. Hemp Authority. They are an independent body that is certifying hemp manufacturers based on standards of excellence. I believe at this point in November of 2019, they've certified about 20 companies. So if you really want to see the creme de la creme of the CBD companies that are taking every step to create high quality, clean, pure, accurately labeled products, the U.S. Hemp Authority is a fantastic resource.